y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do really appreciate it. I am excited. We are going to open one of my favorite subscriptions today. As you can see down below, this is the February 2019 Facetory. For those of you that do not know, Facetory is a monthly subscription of sheet masks. I love sheet mask. I use a sheet mask probably not quite every other day, maybe every 2 to 3 days. And I think this is a great way to build up your sheet mask collection, and I'm super excited. So I get the Forever Fresh, where you receive 4 masks every month. It is $8.90. So you're paying basically $2 a mask, which is a really good deal. And I always love the variety. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And it, I believe, will get you a couple of free masks with your first order. So, and yeah, so we're going to get into this. Before we do, I do want to remind you, I have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. The link will be below, so make sure you do enter. And make sure once you subscribe, if you have not already, you hit that notification bell so you are notified when I go live, because I'm going to be doing quite a few live giveaways. So you want to be here and get that notification for those. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what February 2019 brought us in masks. There's like 2 cards in here. Oh, that is cute. Okay, this says, "You are the queen in my heart." So it's a card, and then but it's like blank on the back, and it says, "Write a message and give this to someone who you care for." So that's cute. It's like a little Valentine. That is so cute. Okay, and then we have our February Forever Fresh little information card. So let's go ahead and just get a mask out. And the first one I pulled out is a Facetory mask. It is Ace That Face Collagen Mask. And it says, "In need of glowing, smooth skin, this mask infused with super nourishing and skin plumping ingredients such as hydrolyzed collagen and Ganoderma lucidum mushroom extract will help you bring out your best skin." And this is a $4 retail value. So this right here already is half of the price of the subscription. So, this isn't one of the subscriptions where you're going to, receive, items that are 10 times what you paid, but you are going to, get more than what you paid for this subscription. So there is that sheet mask. And then we have from Beauty Chuck, I'm Real Gira Mask, green tea. I love green tea masks. I think they're really great for your skin and inflammation. Let your skin soak in all of the nourishing ingredients of this green tea mask, a skin care favorite ingredient. And it has the green tea extract and sodium hyaluronate. And this is a $3 value. And then we have, oh, this looks cute. Okay. This is from Bling Pop Peach Firming and Brightening Mask. This yummy peach mask is the perfect mask for a night in, as it brightens dull skin and firms aging skin. Has peach fruit extract and Paeonia lactiflora root extract. This is a $2 retail value. How cute is that packaging? That's like really cute. All right, so we have one final mask in here. And this is from Pure Skin Molt Vita Brightening Active Mask. This brightening mask will make sure to keep your skin healthy and active for all your fun adventures. And it has citric acid and witch hazel extract. This is a $3 value. That is, okay. Witch hazel is a really great ingredient to have in mask. Here it says a natural astringent that helps remove excess oils from the skin. But I really like masks that have the witch hazel in them. I have a couple, so I'm actually going to set this one to the side for a giveaway for one of you guys. Just so if you've not tried one that has it in it, you can. And let's see here. It says, "You're the queen in our hearts. We celebrate all the relationships we have with our besties and loved ones. We hope you can use these masks as a time of pampering and bonding with those closest to you. Happy February." And then it has, on the back, it says some tips. It says, do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders, which is something I always do. I always will like rub any serum or essence down and then across like my collarbone. Make sure that. And then the last tip is make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the masks. So that was the February 2019 Facetory, the Forever Fresh. They do offer another plan, their 7 Lux plan, where you receive 7 masks, and they sometimes are a little bit more pricey mask, and I believe that subscription is like $19 a month. So you have that option as well, depending on how often you like to mask. So I was really happy with this month. As always, I can't talk. I've always enjoyed Facetory. There has not been a month that I've been disappointed. I think it's a great subscription. Like I said, I will leave a link down below for you guys. And please do not forget to make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and your notification bell so you know when I go live for the live giveaways and enter the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. That link will be below as well. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a few moments, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.